Hello accounting students. For a few brief minutes, let's talk about what financial accounting is all about really. The purpose of financial accounting is communicating through some very specific reports the health of the business. Although there are several other reports, the two most basic and most useful are the income statement and the balance sheet. You could say the purpose of financial accounts is to provide these two and other reports to help others better understand the business. The income statement is an important report because it tells others how profitable the business is. So the report shows sales, also called revenue, and then it subtracts the cost of doing business. Here is a generic income statement. This business has three costs, most have many more. The cost of the goods that they sell, for example, a jewelry store would have cost of jewelry, the cost of the utility bill, and the cost of employees. What's left over is the profit or net income. The balance sheet shows what the managers of the business have at their disposal. The resources are also called assets. The liabilities are obligations, like loans that must be paid back. The equity is what the investor put into the business, like the owner who started the business. Here's an example of a business income statement. This one is for a coffee shop. See how the expenses are specific to that type of business? The kind of cost the managers of a coffee house would have to spend. Here's a balance sheet for the coffee house. The managers have cash to pay for the things, some inventory and supplies. The coffee equipment is also a resource. They have to pay a loan. They call that an account payable. They owe some employees for work they already did but they haven't paid them yet. They also owe a bigger loan called a note payable. The equity is the amount the owner put in using his or her own money to start the place up. So preparing reports to help others understand a business and how healthy or risky the business is really what financial accounting is all about. I hope this brief introduction helps you get started. There's a lot more to learn.